Welcome back, guys. Sean here. This is my channel. I do shaving videos and just talk with you guys. Alright, let's get right into it. Starting off with the poor man's pre-shave. And on today's video, what is it today? 20th? The 20th? I don't know. 19th? But anyways, I'll be trying out 3 different razors. The first one is the Dovo Bergischer Löwe. By the way, these 3 razors have all been with the curved stone. They've been shaped. And the first one is the Dovo Bergischer Löwe. That's the one I used for shaving with the 1.5K edge. And then I have the custom gold dollar. That was the one I did for the 5K edge. And the last one, I don't want to mention too much because a friend of mine, mentor of mine, he's still working with that process. So he'll see the video, he'll know it's him. It's for him to decide whether or not he wants to talk about that on his channel. All the gear used will be in the description below. Let's start off with the first one, which is the Dovo Bergischer Löwe. This was honed up to a French slate, the Black Shadow. So first pass with the grain. Absolutely beautiful edge. Let's move on. Let's go to the mystery razor. I can say this went up to the 12K, and that is also no complaints there. Okay, here we have the custom gold dollar, and let's start with this part of the face, just so we're doing the same thing. This has a conical edge. I might or may not put the pictures of the edges, and if you check in the description below, if you're interested in the gear, that's where it's at. A lot more, this one's a lot quieter. All right, let's pick one. I'll choose this one to do the bottom half. I felt that little nick. Perfect. let's use the Coticule edge for across the grain. And this one almost feels like there's no edge there. It's so smooth and forgiving. The Slate, you definitely feel that's keen, and then the 12K as well. Okay. Trying to keep the angle pretty low here. Might have gotten a second nick there. Yeah, this one feels like there's no edge there, but there is because I mean I saw the stubble against the grain with the French Slate. I don't know, I just thought it was fitting. Little German razor with a little French stone. That's beautiful. The black shadow, I gotta say, I don't like how it hones. I don't like the way it feels honing on it. It's very boring stone. It's like honing on glass, but it does give good results. I feel like that's the best against the grain pass I've done in a while on that side of my face. That is my my right side, but I use my left hand on that one, and it's pretty uncomfortable doing it. I feel a lot more comfortable on this side of the face. All right, what do I want to do here? Let's do that. Let's go like this. And like this. I have a bad habit of trying to rush the shave. I'm not sure why I do that. But today, since I'm testing out the razors, I've taken my time, relaxed, and it does seem like my passes have been a lot better. Okay. How do I want to do this? And we'll do the same on the other side. We got good old Clubman. Should feel a little bit of a sting here. That's actually really good. That's real good. All right, guys. Thanks for taking the time and watching this video. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Peace.